We have got a lot of work done since we last shot here. We have got door and window openings reframed. We are laying out plates down here. This will become the new mudroom. This is gonna get walled up. Walls here, mudroom here. This is gonna become the laundry. This wall goes, these plumbing pipes gone. This is a new wall, an additional 2x4 wall framed in front of the existing exterior wall. This is to accommodate the future plumbing. We cannot put any sort of drain pipe, and we don't want to put any water pipe in exterior walls. We can't do it because it reduces the effective R value of the wall assembly. In layman's terms, it makes it less good. Your wall won't perform as well from an insulation perspective. So we've had to frame new wall in front of there, not a big deal, just we lose 4.5 inches of space. What will ultimately happen is this will become part of the upper main floor, so to speak, so that when you come up, the actual front door will enter the house somewhere around here. And what that will allow the clients to do is not have a goofy, tiny, very tight foyer. They'll have a more open foyer that will make their home more inviting and welcoming for their friends and guests, because before here was a closet. So pretty cozy front entryway. This particular client has been baking for us. We appreciate clients that bake, and we say thank you very, very much. We are now at the front door, same house. New problem. We are raising the front door so that the new bottom of the front door is roughly yay high. What we now have to contend with is figuring out how to build and support a new concrete landing and stairs going down to roughly where the camera is located right now. One of the solutions that we are currently toying with is actually the use of screw piles to support a retaining wall that's gonna be used to support the stairs, and we'll put a screw pile there, maybe another one down there, and we'll have that retaining wall effectively work as a grade beam, and that will allow us to tie this side of the stairs into the wall. What we will do for the landing is, my current train of thought is to actually form and pour a taller concrete foundation wall here. We're gonna end up forming and pouring a larger concrete wall here so that we can have the landing die into there. Again, we always wanna make sure that we are building our homes and doing our projects so that they stand the test of time. So in 50, 70, 100 years, whatever we built still looks freaking awesome and hasn't really changed, other than maybe a little bit of algae since we were there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay awesome, have a great day. Cheers.